6:44. Bet you've looked at celebrities on TV and magazines and said, wow, she looks great. I thought she was a whole lot older than that.
Well, there's always one thing that gives away true age. Dr. Max Gomez is here to tell us what it is and what you can do to rejuvenate that body part.
That's right. Parts.
Parts. That's right.
For most people anyway. And it's not plastic surgery. Plastic surgery can help with various body parts: face, bust, neck, tummy. Exercise can keep the body toned and youthful, and the rest you can cover with clothing. But look at a person's hands. They're always out there. They're kind of odd to cover if it's not freezing outside, and they're a dead giveaway of a person's real age. Now there's a simple way to turn back the hands of time. Pet Christodoulou eats well, exercises, takes care of herself. You probably wouldn't guess this youthful woman is 63, unless you looked at her hands.
Well, my hands sort of lag behind everything. You know, they sort of don't look that fresh, and I thought that it would be nice just to freshen them up a little. You know, I have big veins, and they look haggard, I think.
They're the bane of aging women. Hands are always exposed to the sun and environment, and hands have very little fat under the skin.
As soon as they lose a little bit of their subcutaneous fat, bingo, you have a lot of bulging structures, the veins and tendons.
Which leads many people to become self-conscious.
I noticed that I don't wear rings a lot, and I don't, like if I try on jewelry, sometimes I think, oh, better not to wear jewelry because it draws attention to your hand.
But now there's a way to rejuvenate hands quickly and simply. It uses Radiesse, a filler first developed to ease facial folds and wrinkles. It's made of
calcium hydroxylapatite, which is a natural component in bone. And it's non-allergenic, which means that the patients won't have an allergic reaction.
But in the hands, it's used a little differently. First, it's diluted with xylocaine to make it painless, and also so it will flow into the nooks and valleys of the hand. But the real trick is to inject it just under the skin in a lump or bolus. Then Dr. Edelson massages the hand to spread the Radiesse evenly. Here's some before and after aging hands. It may take a few injections per hand, but the results are remarkable and are said to last for up to a year. Remember Pat's hands before? Here they are just a few minutes later.
It was totally painless, just a little pinch, and then, you know, you felt nothing. The lidocaine kicked in.
So what do you think, though?
I think they're fabulous.
Now, there are other techniques that have been tried on hands, fat injections, collagen injections, but they tended to be lumpy because those materials wouldn't flow into the nooks and crannies of the back of the hand. Plus, they don't last as long. Although different people break down the Radiesse at different rates, this is supposed to last 6, 10, even 12 months before you need another dose, but you will need another dose.
Every year?
Well, approximately.
If you want your hands to look young.
If you want your hands to look young.
All right, Dr. Max Gomez.
Can I tell you?
Thank you very much.
A little maintenance, right?
A little maintenance, yeah. Change the oil, you know, rotate the tires. Got to do it.
Look under the hood.
Yeah.
Well, there's another line I want to throw in right now, but I can't.